No More Newbie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use YouTube timestamps, which in turn create the video chapters within your videos. Just a quick reminder that this is part of the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel with Me series, so do check out all the other videos in the playlist to make sure you are growing your channel along with me. So if you're not familiar with YouTube timestamps, it's a feature that's been on YouTube for a little while now, and a lot of the YouTube experts are saying that having timestamps in your videos and on your channel is certainly a positive move and something that's going to improve your channel. So I'm going to put them on all future videos, and I'm going to go through my backlog of videos and try and add them to them as well. So essentially what timestamps are the clickable links that you put in your description that give you in effect a menu of somewhere where you can click, or the viewer can click, to then go to a particular point in your video rather than watching the rest of it. Now the argument could be, hold on, I want people to watch my whole video, I don't want them to just watch a snippet of it and then go again. And this is the main thing that experts are saying you need to get your head around, is that actually you're making this video for the viewer. Although it's your channel, you've got to bear in mind the viewer's experience, and if you can help them out by going to the bit that they particularly want, then it might be they're watching other videos of yours, or they actually click the subscribe button because they've got the information they wanted straight away. So certainly worth considering and weighing up whether you think it's worthwhile. I certainly think it is, so I'm going to go ahead and add timestamps to my video. So what we need to do is go to the profile icon, as always at the top of the screen, go to YouTube Studio and click on your content button down the left hand side. So don't go too far down, it's just on the left here, second one down, content, click on that. And then what we can do, I'll show you how to do this on a mobile as well. You want to go to your video and click on the pencil there, which is the details button, and that will take us to our video, and we can go onto the description section of the video, which is where we're going to add the timestamps. Now I'll also show you how to do this on a mobile. It is slower on a mobile, but you can still do it. So all you need to do is go on your mobile, type in YouTube desktop and click on studio.youtube.com, and then that will take you to your desktop YouTube channel, and then you can carry on doing what we've just shown you here. So we're just going to click on some space. It's up to you where in the description you put it. And what you want to do is use the emojis, or this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to find a clock to indicate timestamps, and I'm going to put 2 of those into the description to give us the indication of timestamps. And then what I'm going to do is in between the timestamps, or in between the 2 clocks, I'm going to type in timestamps just to say and make it really obvious that this is where the timestamps are. Once you've done that, the important bit is to have 000 as your first timestamp, and I'm just going to title that as the same as the title of the video. So you can put whatever you want, but it just makes sense to me to put the title of the video there. From that point, you're pushing play on your actual video on the top right hand corner there, and just playing the video through and slowly adding the different timestamps to the sections you want to break your video up into. So I'm going to fast forward here. You can see now that I've got to the end of the video, and I've put in all my timestamps there. So that is all the 10 tips on that video. Once you've done that, you need to make sure that you've saved it in the top right hand corner here, and then you can go and find your video on your main channel, and it will show the links showing up from there. So I've gone to the video on the main channel, we click on the description and show more, and then we can scroll down and you'll see that all the links are now blue, or the timestamps are blue, and you can see which ones you can click on to get to the point you want. So when you look up at the video now, you'll see it's all broken up into chapters, which are totally linked to the new timestamps that you've put in your description. So that is absolutely awesome. Now we haven't finished there. We're going to take this one step further forward, which is going down to the comments section, and we're going to create a new comment, and we're going to paste in all of the timestamps that we've just created. So if you go back up to the description and you just want to highlight that and copy it so that we can paste it into the comments. Okay, once we've copied it and we've gone down to created a new comment, then we can just paste it all in, and then we can then just pin that comment to the video so that it stays right at the top. Again, if you haven't seen the comments video that I did recently, do check that out, because there'll be lots more tips on how to use comments on your videos as well. Okay, once you've done that, you just comment, and then we just click on these 3 little buttons here, and we're going to pin that to the video, and that will keep it right at the top for everyone to see. So then just add timestamps to all your future videos where you feel relevant. So the next step is to watch one of the future videos or check out the playlist for all the other How to Improve Your YouTube Channel with Me series to make sure you're improving your channel with me. And if you found this useful, please do hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.